Let's learn farm animals and their sounds. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a goat. She loves to jump and climb. She says, Mama! Let's say it together. Mama! Mama! Great job! This is a turkey. He likes to walk around and show off his feathers. He says, Gobble gobble. Can you say it with me? Gobble gobble. Gobble gobble. Well done. This is a goose. She loves to swim in the pond. She says, Honk honk. Let's try it together. Honk honk. Honk honk. Excellent. This is a donkey. He carries things and loves to bray. He says, Hee-haw! Say it with me. Hee-haw! Hee-haw! Awesome! This is a camel. He loves walking in the hot desert. He makes a deep, growling sound. Can you try? Grr! Grr! Great effort! This is a pony. She loves to run and play. She neighs like this. Neigh! Say it with me. Neigh! Good job! This is a parrot. He loves to talk and sing. He says, Hello! Hello! Let's try it. Hello! Hello! You did great! This is a guinea pig. She loves to squeak when she's happy. She says, Week week. Can you say it too? Week week. Nice work! This is a rabbit. He loves to hop and nibble carrots. He makes a soft sound. Sniff sniff. Let's try. Sniff sniff. Wonderful! This is an elephant. He loves to spray water with his trunk. He says, Paw-woo! Paw-woo! Let's say it together. Paw-woo! Paw-woo! Amazing job! You did an amazing job today. You're so smart and fun. See you next time. Bye-bye!